Now then YouTube. Now then YouTube, I'm back. I've been gone a long time because I've been quite ill and had a bit of a flu that's been on and off. My voice has been on and off for days. But we're back to bring you a Hidden Summoners booster box opening. The set came out like a few weeks ago, I think. You've got the Nephthys, Sacred Phoenix, that's an old card, and they've built it into an archetype much like Thunder Dragons. Then you've got, oh wait, there it is, it covers the whole box. Then you got a new Japanese zombie type Mayakashis and the Prank Kids, which are apparently a good deck in the OCG. So, let's get right into it. You've got some reprints in this set, Thunder Dragon, Manju of the 1,000 Hands, 10,000 Hands. Gold Sarcophagus is in here as well, if we can pull it. This is like more of a deck build pack, like your Dark Saviors and your Shadows in Valhalla, where there's like 3 archetypes, or a few archetypes, and then you've got a bunch of reprints, some cool reprints in this one. Okay, so Rebirth of Nephthys, English edition, 1st edition, Hidden Summoners. Let's get straight into it. I hope you're all still with me if you watch my channel. It's good to be back. So starting off we've got Mayakashi Metamorphosis, Rebirth of Nephthys, Hand of Nephthys, Onslaught of the Fire Kings, and Gold Sarcophagus in our first pack. That's always going to be a $5 card, so very nice to pull in our first pack. There's also the case, as it was with the Shadows in Valhalla boxes, where you get like 2 secret rares. You get the same secret rares, like 2 secret rares of each one that you pull. So we got a Mayakashi Metamorphosis, Rebirth of Nephthys, Onslaught of the Fire Kings. Special summon 1 Fire Beast, Beast Warrior, or Winged Beast from your deck. So we got Mayakashis there. We'll put our reprints of classic cards down here. Mayakashis there. Our Phoenix cards there. No Prank Kids so far. Next pack. Circle of the Fire Kings. That's a quick play. Target 1 fire monster you control and 1 fire monster in your graveyard. Destroy that monster you control, and if you do special summon the other monster from your graveyard, you can only activate 1 circle of the Fire Kings per turn. Awakening of Nephthys, Ultra Polymerization, Desynchro, and Disciple of Nephthys. I believe this searches. During your main phase you can destroy 1 card in your hand. If you do, add 1 Nephthys monster from your deck to your hand, except Disciple. Yeah. 2000 defense. Disciple of Nephthys. So we got Flash Fusion, Rivalry of Warlords, Prank Kids Bow Wow Bark. Okay, so yeah, Rivalry of Warlords, and YugiOh the Ice Mayakashi. So we got our first Prank Kids Bow Wow. Last open and Panthers. And Flash Fusion. Fusion summon 1 from your extra deck using monster controls fusion material. Destroy it during the end phase. Well, that was a straight poly then, but it's not. So this is a pretty card, isn't it? YugiOh the Ice Mayakashi. Zombie Link. 2 Mayakashi. You can only control 1 YugiOh the Ice Mayakashi. While this card points to a synchro monster, your opponent's monsters cannot target this card for attacks. If a synchro material If a synchro monster in your position is destroyed or battle or an opponent's card effect while this card is on the field, you can target one face-up monster on the field. Its attacking events become half its current attacking events until the end of the turn. I think these new Mayakashi cards will go pretty well with the Shiranui archetype, and I think there are some Shiranui cards in this set as well. Preparation of Rites, Prank Kids Plan, Refusion, Ultra Polymerization, and the Foxy guy on the box. If we could just, yeah, this card's pretty beautiful here. Yoko, the Graceful Mayakashi, Synchro, Zombie Synchro. Look at that shine. There's some beautiful shine to it. A lot of fusion cards. Well, fusion spells. Okay, we got our first lot of Prank Kids. Fancies, the green one. Thunder. Wind. Classic card, goes in match. Yep. Goes with your rivalry of the Warlords. Prank Kids Pandemonium, quick play. Prank Kids Bow Wow back. And then another Mayakashi card, the Wheeled Mayakashi. Boroguruma, some sort of cart, wheels and fire. 3-star synchro monster. Okay. Tatsunoko, Metamorphosis, Shiranui Samurai, Preparation of Rites, and Nephthys, the Sacred Preserver. This is good. This is a good card for the... Oh, I can't remember what it does, but it's good. So you get one of these effects once per turn during your main phase. If it's link summoned, you can activate one of these. Add one level 8 winged beast monster from your deck to your hand. So you're gonna add your Sacred Phoenix maybe, or your Ritual Sacred Phoenix, because then you also get to add the Ritual spell as well. Or you can destroy one Nephthys monster this card points to and special summon one Nephthys monster with a different original name from your graveyard but negate its effects. So it replaces destroyed one. Pretty. Bless you. Manju of 10,000 Hands, Prank Kids Fancies, Rivalry of Warlords, Dropsies, and Winged Mayakashi. Those are your classic cards. We've not pulled the Thunder Dragon yet. Thunder Dragon Reaper. Metamorphosis, Chronicler, Defender, Shiranui, and Mayakashi Return. Very pretty. Okay. Take one Mayakashi card from your deck, except Mayakashi Return, and either add it to your hand or send it to the graveyard. You can only activate one. Take one. Cards don't usually say take, do they now? It's a very crucial card for the Mayakashi deck. Archetype. Yasha, the Skeletal Mayakashi. Poisonous Mayakashi. Pandemonium. And there's the classic original Sacred Phoenix of Nepthys. Daki, the Graceful Mayakashi. One of your Mayakashis in your house. Not pulled any of the secrets or the fusions, the Prank Kids. Fusion Recycling Plant, strong card for fusions, fusion decks, and it's also a field spell. Prank Kids Dropsies, and what was I saying? Prank Kids Pranks. There's a Thunder Dragon, and there is a Battle Butler. This is the fusion between the three little ones. Must be fusion land. Now the fusion ones have them in the artwork there. There's the green and the red one. But the links have them like, they look like little Puyo. See the reds and the blues on that one. They've got little eyes like little Puyo. If you've ever played that game, you'll know what I'm talking about. Preparation of rites. Prankhead's Lampsies. Sacred Phoenix. Phoenix Wing Wind Blast. And that wheeled Mayakashi again. We've not had any, oh, we've had a few double secrets, but not as many. Maybe we'll see some in the hands. There's a Prankhead's Weather Washer, fusion monster. Mayakashi Poisonous, Shiranui Samurai, another Manju. And Sheifu, the wheeled Mayakashi. So does he pull along that synchro? Because that's similar artwork right there. Although it looks pretty normal in that picture. He doesn't know what's behind him. Second side. Let me know what you think of this set in the comments below. Flash Set Fusion, Prankhead's Pandemonium, Night's End Sorcerer, Rivalry of Warlords, and there's the secret Cerulean Sacred Phoenix of Nepthys. It's a very blue card, blue and red. Fire, fire, fire. Ritual with Rebirth. You can use each of the following effects once per turn. During your main phase, you can destroy one Nepthys card in your hand, then destroy an equal number of monsters your opponent controls. During your next standby phase, after this card was destroyed by battle, you can special summon it back from the graveyard. Wow, okay. I think the other big link monster for the Phoenix archetype is pretty generic to ritual decks. So you can, and the more ritual monsters you use to link summon it with, the better the effect. Ritual Foregone. Pretty. Rip Roar and Roaster. These Prankheads have strange names. Keep seeing this dog as well on the Prankheads. He looks like Jake from Adventure Time. I wonder if we're going to see him in a future card. Must be linked summoned. You can quick effect. You contribute this card, destroy all spell or traps your opponent controls. If this card is in your possession, it's sent to your graveyard by your opponent's card. You can target one card in your graveyard, except a link monster, and add it to your hand. One card, any card in your graveyard, you can take it if this card gets destroyed. But this does have 3000 attack, so we got the two secrets for the secret rares for the Prankheads. I think we got most of the Mayakashis. Just looking for that Sacred Phoenix. This is a pretty good box. This is a Necro, and yeah, that's the other Mayakashi we're missing. Chigumo. The poisonous Mayakashi. That was difficult to say now, wasn't it? There. Doesn't look at the only cards together. Matriarch, Ritual, Circle of Life, Circle of Fire King, sorry, Disciple. I think that's two disciples we got. Nope. Will we see a repeat of some of these secrets? Or will we see the other Phoenix? Come on, believe in the heart of the cards. It's 2 Thunder Dragons and 2 Manjus. Heijun, the Wing Mayakashi, I don't think we've seen him yet. Have we seen him? No. It's like we got one of every card here. And this is a pretty small set. I think there's only 60 cards in the set. Shiranui, Awakening, Prankhead's Rocket, and the Skull Guy, Skeleton Mayakashi. Prankhead's Rocket. Let's take a look at this artwork for a second. Yeah, you got the blue and the green guy riding the big rocket guy out of some area. It's like some crazy cartoon. Reminds me of the Toons. It's pretty artwork. Phoenix Woman. Asha. Bow Wow Bag. Pranks. And the poisonous guy again. Onslaught. Shiranui. Weather Washer. Gozen Match. And Battle Butler. Yes. Nice. The Battle Butlers are here to battle with their fried egg and bacon. Circle of the Viking, Print Kids, Knights End, Print Kids, and Gold Sarcophagus. 2 Gold Sarcophagus. Pretty good. This is a very good box. Let me just autofocus so you can see so far. And yeah, there. 3 packs left still. Still got a chance to pull that Phoenix Secret. I'd like another copy of that as well, perhaps. Chronicler, Manju. That's 3 Manjus. Yeah, nice. 3 Manjus is good. Thunder Dragon, and yes, we pulled the Sacred Flame. Nice. Nice one. Nephthys, the Sacred Flame. Let's check this effects out, because it's like the god monster of the Phoenix archetype. 2+ monsters, including a ritual monster. While this card is in the extra monster zone, monsters your opponent cannot target Nephthys monsters in the main monster zone for attacks. This card gains effects based on the number of ritual monsters used for its link summon. So like I said, this could be used in a generic ritual deck. So it cannot be destroyed by battle if you use 1. 2, if it cannot be destroyed by card effects, and it also gains 12,000 attack. 3 ritual monsters, neither player can target this card with card effects. Also, it gains another 1,200 attack. So, pretty godly. Decent crawl. Rocket Ride, Matriarch, and that Fox guy for the Mayakashis. Final pack. Let's do this. I mean, I pulled everything I wanted to pull here, so another Phoenix Secret would be nice. Shiranui, Gozen, and Flying Mahashi. Winged Mahashi. So that's probably like one of the best boxes you're gonna get for Hidden Summoners. Let me know what you think of the set. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun to make. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.